G'day everybody. Hope you're well, hope you're locked down, and I hope you're busy and keeping this thing stimulated, because you might be stuck in your house or room or apartment or wherever you are for a little while. So I thought I'd put out a bit more content than I normally do and give a bit more free stuff out there. We'll give you access to seeing what we do, top 10 scans and all sorts of bits and pieces, so stay tuned. What am I looking at today? Well, let's have a look at the top 10 and crunch some of it. So far, we are up a little bit right now. Bitcoin, a couple of things for me to be cognizant of. Of course, we're back in the cradle zone here on the daily, but check out this 2-day puppy here. Now, that will close 11 a.m. Sydney time tomorrow morning. I don't want to see that be bearish. I don't want to see a setup here off of 7,000 for a short. I don't want to see a short trade like this. Now, that short trade in the cradle was definitely a very profitable one for those that took it. But I would rather see Bitcoin head higher, because we've got a really good mix of opportunity. And I mean, this is a wild, crazy world right now. With all this quantitative easing, surely we should see some, supply and demand logic come in and see Bitcoin, given that it has a limited supply, demand hopefully will increase. We'll start to see this thing move. Either way, I'll trade it long and short. So what am I looking at here? Well, I want to see, first of all, the high of these two candles broken. So really yesterday's high broken. That will then, I want to see it broken properly, getting above 7,000, have a higher low and a higher high, give me an uptrend, and I will be trading that. For me at the moment, we are starting to get some momentum, but I want to see some follow through. We've been consolidating for the last couple of days, and although start of the week, Tuesday, I had a couple of good profitable trades. It's been pretty lackluster since then, I've got to be honest. So waiting for Bitcoin to sort of lead me there. Ethereum, same sort of thing. We need to push above this high to give us a higher low and higher high. Then I'm ready to go trading again. Until I get the right conditions, I'm not pulling the trigger on anything. The daily is pretty dead. XRP, having a look here once again, we need to see a push, and I'm looking at the 4-hour here, by the way, a push above this level here. Again, clear me out of that consolidation range. The whole market's doing it at the moment. There are some Bitcoin breakout opportunities out there. That's in the community. I've put that video out today for those that are subscribers. But I'm keeping an eye and waiting on XRP. The daily really not adding any value. Bitcoin Cash, well, you can see right here, I've got a level in. I was watching this yesterday. I've got two tests, need a third and a higher low, but I am watching that. A push above that level, possible pullbacks into that old support level for cradle trades and and booster trades. That's sort of plan I'm thinking for Bitcoin Cash. When we look at Bitcoin SV, I did pretty well on this I got a couple of percent out of this on the Tuesday. I traded Bitcoin and BSV, both long, both profit, and that was it. It went pretty quiet. Kind of just through this move. That was the only bit that I could find. It was on the lower time frames. Right now, again, same thing. I mean, I was just gone to the 8 to see if I could find a crater, but there's nothing there. The 4-hour, I want to see that momentum push on, break this high, give me a higher high to go with that higher low. Same on Litecoin, nothing more to add really. Higher low, need to push to a higher high. Then I'm ready to drop to the lower time frames and take my trades. Right here on EOS at the minute, I'll go lower here. There's no level to work with just yet, so again, push on higher high and give me that plan to trade. Binance is just sideways. It's got to push higher. It's got to give me something to work with. Cardano, here's a level that I am watching. Now, it's got a bit of work to do still. I've got test 1, test 2, test 3, but the problem is I haven't got a place for a stop loss for a Bitcoin breakout, and I haven't got convergence yet. What I want to see is I want to see it push up into here, resist again, pull back, higher low, and then I'll have the perfect scenario for a potential Bitcoin breakout strategy long, and I'm waiting for that. Ethereum Classic right now on that day, on this 4-hour, you can see the consolidation. Drop it to the 8 and you'll see it much clearer. It's just a bit of a shame that it broke through here. You know, we saw a breakout at this point and it just rejected that level quite quickly. So because I haven't got an exact level down through here, let me just kill that level and try, if I put that in, there's a bit of a bee's dick break. Why bee's dick? Because how big is a bee's dick? Pretty small. You remember that sort of stuff. Oh, look, I'm going to pop it in the list and see if it evolves a little bit more. But it's got to give me a little bit more. They're on to Tron. Not a great deal going on. It is consolidating again. And that's our top 10. So right now, ladies and gentlemen, we've got a consolidation of the market. I'm waiting for opportunities. Bitcoin breakouts are what I trade when we get consolidations. And if we don't get the breakout, I want to get the pullbacks into that level. Now, right now, we're offering opportunities for you to get involved with the Craig Cobb courses. We are calling it the quarantine special because we're all pretty much locked down. I said I'd never discount my courses ever again after November, but we've decided we would do that because, well, a lot of people are out of work, a lot of people are looking for something to do, and we want to make it as accessible as possible. We are also a business. We do not desire to lay off any of our staff. Times are tough for all of us, right? But we drop the prices so that you can get closer to doing these things, and also, keep your mental sanity, keep the mental health strong throughout this period. We're going to be locked down for a while by the looks of it. You may as well make good use of that time. Guys, have a great day. Visit tradercobb.com. You'll see the specials and whatnot there, or you can go to tradercobb.com/join, and you'll see the opportunities for you to get involved there. Have a fantastic day, and you'll be seeing more and hearing more from me. So click the like button, subscribe there, and let me know if there's anything you'd like me to cover, because I'm around just as much as you are. Take it easy, guys, and be safe. Bye for now.
The Trader Cobb Crypto Show, talking business in blockchain.